What's the most important area to focus on when you're learning a language? Is it pronunciation? Is it grammar? Perhaps vocabulary? I'm going to tell you. Let's talk about it. The most important area is vocabulary. If you don't have words, you can't make and build sentences. So focus on vocabulary first. They are the building blocks of a language. The next most important area is pronunciation. Learn to say the word as close to native as possible, and this helps reduce the accent. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to be close enough to native so that we understand when you pronounce the word. And then grammar. It's the least important. Still important, but the least important out of all three. So start with vocabulary, build vocabulary, focus on pronunciation, and then grammar, such as sentence structure. As you move up in levels, as you become more proficient in English, what becomes less important? Grammar. Grammar becomes less important. Words, phrases, how you say things, expressions like idioms, phrasal verbs, you need to focus more on that. So first it's vocabulary, vocabulary, vocabulary. Then pronunciation, and then grammar, in that order of importance. So this applies to any language, but I'm just going to focus on English. When you start as a beginner, that's really where you should be spending much of your time, is building vocabulary. Flashcards are okay, but what's even better than flashcards, because flashcards do work for many, you want to make sure you're working with the word. So what I mean is not just, for example, not just cat. Oh, okay, cat. It's this animal. It's a pet. Okay, I know the word cat. You want to also check the pronunciation, that you're saying it correctly, and then you want to work with the word. You can put it in a sentence. Use it in an example sentence. I have a cat. My sister has a pet cat. You want to put it in a sentence. So you'll translate it into your native language, cat. And also, if the word sounds like something similar in your language, it can help you remember the word. So that's a good way to really memorize words, is sometimes the sound of the word can help trigger the meaning of the word. So I'll give you example. I'm learning the Ilocano language, just taking my time because I'm here in the Philippines, and Nagalaska means ugly. So I heard that word and it sounded like I'm going to Alaska, Nagalaska, but it has nothing to do with Alaska or the cold or winter. But because it sounded like that, for some reason, I just remember the word for ugly. So when you can associate something because of how it sounds, it maybe triggers a memory or triggers a feeling or triggers in your mind the meaning, then that's a great way to learn vocabulary. So definition, pronunciation, and work with the word. Either an exercise, writing example sentences. You can translate it from your language to the target language. In this case, the language you're learning, which would be English. So don't sweat about grammar. It becomes less important as you increase your level. Focus on those everyday expressions, phrases, idioms, things like that. So I do have resources in the description if you'd like more additional help. But that is true. Focus on vocabulary, pronunciation, then grammar. See you in the next video.